pop under it in a minute. It's got to get to that person. Not going back, let's try to find. Yawn in it, go. Come in on this one close and then turn. Then you'll get some motion and then take on the letter.
It's alright, no, it's fine. It's amazing how that little angle.
I tend to do that.
Yeah, I'm not sure my arms aren't long enough for that. Oh. Ah. Where's it cleared?
Another sweet. Try to drink and all sorts, yeah? Keep this here going, like. That's it.
Sun's right up there at that angle. just coming into shot. See our shadow.
See what?
That's a great shot. We can see our shadow on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just going to want to get this down so it might be a bit firm. Yeah. Yeah. Quite some long way, I think.
Something like that.
Yeah, really.
It's really like.
It's got a lens guard on, so if you smack it up well. Here we go, get ready for the bomb. Yeah. They need to get down, they'll fumble, you know.
Yeah.
You're not going to go that far.
No, we're sitting back.
You're in the
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Here we go, anytime now. Bang, there's the man.
That's quite smooth.
Here's George.
Yeah, I was expecting that.
Yeah. If you want animal, we just turn it off, yeah?
Yeah, sure. Some lovely, like artistic footage. You can see our shadow getting bigger and bigger.
Nice. I normally wait till they turn off a little bit.
Yeah, just tell me when.
People like that. People like the turn off something.
Yeah.
You're on one.
No, I'm alright. Oh, I've had hours of holding babies on flights like this. A camera to 10 minutes is no odds.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Fuerteventura with the local time is 31 minutes past 4. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Electronic devices can now be used. Have a look around to make sure you have everything with you. Be careful when opening the overhead lockers in case anything has moved and could fall out. Smoke is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. On behalf of the captain, first officer, and this Bristol-based crew, it's been a pleasure to have you on board today. We look forward to working aboard the EasyJet flight in the not-distant future. Thank you very much and have a safe, onwards journey. Ladies and gentlemen, we also would like you to please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until medical assistance has come onto the aircraft. Once then, you will be available to disembark the aircraft. Once again, thank you for your patience.
I know they're going to stop quickly in that. So.
Oh, yeah, the big ones.
Kill that if you want to. Push the little red button again. Left, yeah. And then hold the side button. Hang on, Kevin, don't be late, dear. Can I? Oh, you would have just lost a lot.
Press the circle, return. Sorry.